the question is like sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Sin C minus sin D trigonometry. 2 cos sin C minus D by 2. So limit extends to infinity. 2 into cos. Do rationalization. Because roots are there, we have to rationalize to get this simplified form. If you rationalize denominator, you will get like this. Root x plus 1 minus root x. Numerator, already a plus there, you will multiply with a minus b. So a square minus b square, root cancel. So x plus 1 minus x. Same in second part also. This is into denominator. We have to multiply and divide with root x plus 1 plus root x. So numerator will get like x plus 1 minus x. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root cancel. So here x cancel out. So if you ask me write directly means x infinity, if you write inside the angle cos of whatever is there, if you directly write x value here, then you will get 1 by infinity. Cos of 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. That means you will get cos 0 into same infinity. If you write, you will get sin 0. You know sin 0 is 0. So 0 into number, 0 answer.
So 1 minute, sir.
Okay. Subject understand. Problems copying is okay, but try to understand when question is of this kind of different forms, how to apply. Learn the subject.
So that last line can explain.
This infinity, if you write directly here, then what you will get? X plus infinity. So denominator completely will get infinity. So 1 by infinity. 1 is there in numerator. 1 by infinity is 0. Same here also.
Okay. Understood. Done, sir.
Right.
So 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Anshul done na?
Sir, last sum, last line, sir, last line. Okay, sir.
Next, see this question. If mod x less than 1, then limit n tends to infinity 1 plus x into 1 plus x square 1 plus x power 4 etc. 1 plus x power 2. One plus x power 2n is equal to dash. This is the question. What you have to do is you just multiply and divide with 1 minus x. 1 minus x divide, 1 minus x multiply. Numerator C 1 minus x into 1 plus x. 1 minus x square. A plus b into a minus b. Next 1 minus x square into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x power 4. Like that it continues. Last what you will get 1 x power 2n into 1 plus x power 2n. 1 minus x power 4n by 1 minus x. Clear?
So 1 second.
Sir, limit tends to infinity means how, sir?
Limit n tends to infinity x power 4n. Yesterday, if you remember, I discussed this concept.
Sir, yesterday I was absent, sir.
So that second line, can you say once again, sir, how we got 1 minus x to the power 4?
This one, see here, if you multiply 1 minus x to this, tell me what you will get. 1 minus
1
x square.
minus x square.
Again multiply that into 1 plus x square. 1 minus x power 4. Again multiply 1 minus x power 4 here. 1 minus x power 8. Like that it continues. So last what you will get is 1 minus x power 2n into 1 plus x power 2n is anyway there.
So 1 minus x. Okay, sir. Understood.
So you will get finally 1 minus x power 4n. And yesterday concept is if x value less than 1, n tends to infinity, x power n value 0. Remember, HQ sum I did. Same concept here. X less than 1, x power n, n tends to infinity. So its value 0. So answer is 1 by 1 minus x.
Done, sir.
Right. Anshul, done na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next sum, see, again the same concept I am giving another question in different form. This is the question. Two into 3 power n plus 1, that is, it is not a 2 decimal. Don't read as a decimal. It is into 2 into 3 power n plus 1 minus 3 into 5 power n plus 1 by 2 into 3 power n plus 3 into 5 power n. So how to do is, see, this is 3 power n plus 1. It is like a power m plus n, a power m into a power n. So 2 into 3 power n into 3. 3 into 5 power n into 5 by 2 into 3 power n plus 3 into 5 power n. A power m plus n, formula a power n into a. So this is 2 3s are 6 into 3 power n, 15 into 5 power n by 2 into 3 power n plus 3 into 5 power n. Now the doubt is, you have to take 3 power n common or 5 power n common to get the sum simplification. Which number you have to take common? What is the formula I gave you? Condition. If x less than 1, 0 less than x less than 1, decimal number, then limit n tends to infinity, x power n value 0. What is the meaning of this? If x is any decimal number between 0 to 1, x power n is what they are giving n is tends to infinity. That means in infinity times if you multiply x, that means that decimal number, you calculator 0.1 take, multiply some 100 times, what do you get? 0.00000 something. That means it is approximately equal to 0. That's why answer is 0. So here when you are taking a number common, that number should be less than 1. It should not be greater than 1. That is important concept. This concept yesterday also I explained you. So base concept.
So, sir, 1 minute, sir. You erased the last line.
Yesterday I wrote already.
Okay.
Yeah. Now if you take 5 power n common, then what you are getting, see, 6 into 3 by 5 whole power n. 3 power n by 5 power n. Common means you have to divide. Same here also take a common. 2 into 3 by 5 whole power n plus 3. These two cancel out. Now see 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is less than 1 or greater than 1.
Less than 1.
So this part is 0. 0 minus 15 by 0 plus 5. 0 plus 3. Your answer is minus 5. This model is very important.
Okay, sir.
Right. See, almost last sum in this model. NPN by n plus 1 p n plus 1 minus npn. Permutations, combinations type question. So here limit n tends to infinity. NPN means n factorial by n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. Limit n tends to infinity, n factorial by n plus 1 factorial we can write as n plus 1 into n factorial. So let us take n factorial common in the denominator. So we'll get n plus 1. So we'll get 1 by n. Limit n tends to infinity, 1 by n. N is infinity, 1 by infinity 0.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Next model, next variety of questions. This is called 1 power infinity type. Next concept, 1 power infinity type. 1 power infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power 0. So the questions, if you substitute whatever extends to, they will give. X tends to some number, they will give. Directly substitute in the function, then you will get this form, any one of the form. Then 1 form, 1 method. So let us majorly, they will concentrate on 1 power infinity only. JEE mains questions, final JEE mains, generally they are asking question based on 1 power infinity only. So what to do, how to do? Let me explain you. Limit extends to a f of x power g of x is the, what you will do, you will write a value directly in the function. Then what you will get, 1 power infinity you will get. Then what to do? Next step is you have to write like this. Power, you have to write power into f of x minus 1. For this limit to find out. Limit extends to a. Whatever answer you will get finally, you write e power. This is the answer. So power means g of x into f of x minus 1. For that limit to find out, whatever answer you get, you write e power. Last e power. That is your answer. This is the method of solving 1 power infinity type. Remaining cases, whenever they come, I will explain you. Little fast. We have to do problems.
Done, sir.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Now see the questions, how they will ask. Limit n tends to infinity 1 plus sin a by n whole power n. So this is the question. If you write n value inside the bracket straight away, what you will get? N is in the denominator here inside the bracket. So a by infinity is 0. Sin 0, 0. That means 1 power is anyway directly n is there. N means infinity. So what form you got? 1 power infinity. What I told you? This is always questions like f of x power g of x only they will give. So f of x means 1 plus sin a by n. G of x means n. So what is the formula I told you? G of x into f of x minus 1. You simplify this part first. So 1 cancel. Limit n tends to infinity. N into sin a by n you got. Next step, limit n tends to infinity. Sin a by n by 1 by n. This into n is there now. You write like this. In the denominator you shift. Instead of showing you, better explain only. And n infinity means 1 by n tends to 0. N infinity means 1 by n tends to 0. If you think like 1 by n as x, limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x. Answer is a. So what I told you is write e power. This is your answer.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
So shall I erase everyone? Copy it.
Yes, sir.
Now see the next question. Limit x tends to 1. 2 minus x whole power tan pi x by 2. X tends to 1 given. First directly substitute the question because in the exam they don't tell you that it is in 1 power infinity form. Just by seeing function over function, you have to understand it is 1 power infinity. And confirm by substituting extends to whatever given inside the function. Here extends to 1 given, right in the function 2 minus 1, you get 1. X value 1 in the power means tan pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity. So this is 1 power infinity model. So what do you do? Immediately power bring down tan pi x by 2 into 2 minus x minus 1. F of x minus 1. Limit extends to 1. Tan pi x by 2 into this is 1 minus x. Now if you write x value 1 here, what you are getting is 0 into infinity form. Because tan 90 infinity, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into infinity also, we don't know how to simplify. So what to do? We have to write tan n by cot. You write tan as 1 by cot. 1 by cot means tan only now. Now write x value. Now you will get 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 means what to do? L'Hospital rule you have to apply. So 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1. So minus 1 by cot derivative minus cosecant square pi x by into pi by 2. Cot means minus cosecant square. Inside the bracket pi x by 2, x derivative 1. So pi by 2 will come out. Now 1 cancel, minus minus cancel. X1 if you write now, cosecant pi by sin pi by 2 1, cosecant pi by 2 also 1. So your answer is 1 by pi by 2. That is 2 by pi. I told you, don't forget, last you have to write e power.
So 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So shall I erase? You repeat?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. See this question next. Limit extends to infinity. A power 1 by x plus b power 1 by x plus c power 1 by x by 3 whole power x. X infinity. So 1 by x is 0. So a power 0, b power 0, c power 0. A power 0 is 1, b power 0 is 1, c power 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 by 3, 1. Power x is there, x infinity. So 1 power infinity form. So what we have to shift the power? Function we have to write by 3 minus 1. Limit extends to infinity. Take LCM. Now numerator split 1 by 3 outside, a power 1 by x minus 1 plus b power 1 by x minus 1 plus c power 1 by x minus 1. Denominator whole by 1 by x. Limit extends to x means x infinity means 1 by x tends to 0. 1 by 3 into a power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x plus b power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x plus c power 1 by x minus 1 by 1 by x. So a power 1 by x means if you consider 1 by x means x, then you will get the formula. Limit extends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. What is the formula? Log a. I gave plus. This is log b. This is log c. So log a plus log b plus log c, log a b c. 1 by 3 is the multiple. Now logarithm property, you know, multiple means it will go to the power. That means what you will get? Log of a b c power 1 by 3. What I told you, final answer, write e power. E power log e cancel. So what you will get? A b c power 1 by 3. Finish. Okay, noted.
Yes, sir.
Next. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x into ln of 1 plus b square. ln means logarithm.
Sir, limit means LT, sir.
LT means limit.
Okay, sir.
In the exam also they will write LT or LIM. Both represent limit.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 2b sine square theta. Here b greater than 0 and theta belongs to minus pi comma pi. Then the values of theta. Value is equal to dash. Question noted. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So here, these conditions I will erase. So if you see limit, it is directly, you can observe that it is one part infinity form. So one part infinity, how to simplify, you know. So the same thing we'll do here. Limit x to 0, power into g of x into f of x minus 1, which is equal to 2b sine square theta. Right side, no simplification. Just continue with the right side, whatever given. So limit x tends to 0. Here 1 cancel. 1 by x into x log 1 plus, sorry, this is a b square, not x square. 1 plus b square. Okay. This is equal to 2b sine square theta. Now x cancel. So there is no x. So limit of log 1 plus x, 1 plus b square. There is no x means that whatever the term is there, that is a constant. So constant limit is a constant only. Log 1 plus b square. Final answer I told you, write e power. So you will get 1 plus b square is equal to
Sir, for
2b.
log, we have to write down e, sir.
I told you after simplification, last step, whatever answer is there, e power you have to write.
Okay, sir.
So 1 plus b square, next step you divide by 2b. Theta. What do you mean by 1 plus b square by 2b? This is 1 by b plus b by 2. If I divide b in the numerator with the numerator, then 1 by b plus b square by b means b. Now what do you mean by this part? This is a AM. You know one concept called AM greater than or equal to GM. So b plus 1 by b by 2. This is AM, x, a plus b by 2. Greater than or equal to GM, b into 1 by b is equal to 1 you will get. So here we cannot use greater than symbol because sin theta cannot be greater than 1. So we have to take is equal to 1 only. See here 1 by b plus b by 2 are also the same thing. What answer you got? 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin is 1 for which angle? 90 degrees. Theta is equal to 90. If you observe, theta belongs to what angles they gave? Minus 180 to 180. So you can use plus. Important question. Can expect.
Done, sir.
Right. Next one, see, if P and Q are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then limit x tends to 1 plus ax square plus bx plus c whole power 1 by x minus p. What is the answer for this? So here the thing is ax square plus bx plus c is equal I will explain you again how this comes. Already last time in one case I explained, you maybe remember, you may not. So quadratic expression is given like this. With alpha beta means you have to write x minus alpha, x minus beta. That is how you have to write. So here see limit is clearly 1 power infinity form. So directly what I do, power bring down g of x into f of x minus 1. So limit extends to p 1 by x minus p into ax square plus bx plus c. So what I told you, limit extends to p 1 by x minus p into expression how to write this one, a into x minus p into x minus p cancel, x tends to p given, substitute here, you will get a into p minus q. Final answer e power.
Sir, is the answer e to the power a into p minus q, sir?
Yes,
E to the
yes.
power a into p minus q. Okay, okay, sir.
A into p minus q.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Noted, Anshul?
Yes, sir.
See the next question. Limit extends to infinity 1 plus lambda by x plus mu by x square whole power 2x is equal to e power 4. Then lambda is equal to dash. In brackets, mu belongs to capital R. So clearly this is 1 power infinity question. You can easily check. That's what I'm telling. In the also, they don't give it is 1 power infinity. How will you check? Substitute x value directly. 1 by x. X infinity means 1 by x term 0. So this is 0. This is also 0. So what you will get? 1. Power what is there? 2x. X infinity. So 1 power infinity. That is how you have to understand. Now, how to simplify? Let us start. Power into g of x into 1 plus lambda by x mu by x square minus 1. F of g of x into f of x minus 1. These two cancel out. Limit extends to infinity. 2x multiply inside. 2x into lambda by x plus 2x into mu by x is equal to e power 4 given, that is continue. That is no change in the right side part. Here xx cancel. So here x square is there denominator. So 1x cancel. So finally what you get is this is a 2 lambda plus 2 mu by x is equal to e power 4. X infinity. So 1 by infinity part 0. So finally what you get? 2 lambda. So in this process, last whatever answer is there, right here is equal to what is there? E power 4. E power 2 lambda equal to e power 4. 2
Sir, lambda equal to
is
2. Lambda equal to 2.
That's it. That is the answer.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Tomorrow we are going to start differentiation. So read differentiation formulas and get ready. And in groups, they mentioned syllabus also. So see the syllabus accordingly, plan. Before term exam, what is the syllabus? That week syllabus, they are giving 40%. Present week 40%. Cumulative 20%. So plan accordingly. What is the last chapter we have done? Competitive.
This only, sir, limits only.
Before exams.
Yes, sir.
Before limits, what is the chapter?
One minute. Sir, permutation and combination.
Better revise permutations, combinations.
Sir, but they have given date for that 40.
Date
Previous
they
date.
mentioned.
Yes, sir. According